How to download song on Starmaker application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to download songs from your Starmaker app. So first, make sure you have downloaded the Starmaker app and installed on your device, and also you have successfully signed in with your login credentials. And once you do that, simply come over to any of your song that you want to download and simply click on the share button, and you can just copy the link from over here. You can also choose do that same for the any song that you like from your playlist. And once you do that, if you are using a browser, then what I want you to do is simply head over to your browser and search in for this website, the website called Starmaker Song Downloader. And once you click on it, you will be redirected to this page, and just copy the link which you just copied from your Starmaker application. And as you can see, the file has been shown here. You can simply download it from here over here, and you can do the same for your audio as well. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.